The roads of Mumbai, Pune and Thane may soon come to a standstill, not because of traffic but because the OBC community had issued a strong warning to the Maharashtra government after holding a massive rally in Nagpur against the GR, granting Kunbi status to Marathas. Hi, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, I'll tell you why thousands from the OBC community gathered in Nagpur, what this new government resolution or GR is all about and why it's creating such a big political and social storm across Maharashtra. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Now, thousands of OBC community members filled the streets of Nagpur on Friday in a massive rally demanding the withdrawal of the September 2 GR. Organized by the Sakal OBC Maha Morcha, the protest began at Yashwant Stadium and ended at Samvidhan Square in civil lines, with crowds holding placards, chanting slogans and warning the government that if their demand isn't met, they will choke the roads of Mumbai, Pune and Thane. So what exactly is this GR? The Maharashtra government issued it on September 2, allowing Marathas who can prove their Kunbi ancestry to get Kunbi caste certificates. Since Kunbis fall under the OBC category, this move makes those Marathas eligible for OBC reservation benefits. But OBC organizations say this decision will dilute their quota and snatch opportunities from existing backward classes. They argue that including Marathas in the OBC category will make competition for jobs and education even tougher for genuine OBCs.
कि सकल ओबीसी समाज का भव्य मोर्चा आज नागपुर में निकल रहा है। सभी को पता है कि ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने और खास करके उनके जो नेता है देवेंद्र फडणवीस ने ये बोला था कि हम कोई भी हालत में ओबीसी समाज का नुकसान नहीं होने देंगे। उसके बावजूद मराठा आरक्षण के लिए 2 सितंबर का जीआर निकाला गया और उसके वजह से ओबीसी समाज का भारी नुकसान होने वाला है। इसमें और नए लोग आएंगे, ओबीसी समाज को जो आरक्षण मिलता है उसमें और नए लोग आएंगे और उसके वजह से शैक्षणिक, राजकीय और नौकरी में बहुत बड़ा नुकसान ओबीसी समाज का होने वाला है। उसके लिए सब ओबीसी समाज के बांधव आज नागपुर में महामोर्चा निकाल रहे हैं और हमारी मांग यह है कि कोई भी हालत में 2 सितंबर का जीआर ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के सरकार ने रद्द करना चाहिए।
Congress MLA Vijay Wadettiwar, who led the rally, directly blamed Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis for bowing to pressure from Maratha quota activist Manoj Jarange Patil. Wadettiwar called it a black GR, saying it was issued to finish the OBCs in Maharashtra. He warned that if it's not withdrawn, OBCs will paralyze Mumbai, Pune and Thane to show their strength.
हमने सरकार को आगाह किया है कि अगर नहीं होगा तो दिवाली के बाद हमारी अभी कल परसों भी बैठक है और उसमें मुंबई में बैठक है ओबीसी के करीबन 25 नेताओं की और 25-30 नेता उसमें हम तय करने वाले हैं कि आगे की रणनीति क्या की जाए और सरकार अगर नहीं मानती है तो हमें मुंबई थाना पुणे जाम करना पड़ेगा और हम करके बताएंगे। और ओबीसी को बड़ा नुकसान इस जेआर से होने वाला है, बड़े पैमाने में घुसपैठी होगी और इसके साथ भी ये जेआर के माध्यम से बोगस ओबीसी का बड़ा प्रमाण बढ़ेगा और जो ओरिजिनल ओबीसी है उसको हक मारा जाएगा। ये सरकार ने ये जेआर निकालकर ओबीसी समाज के ऊपर, गर्दन के ऊपर तलवार ही चलाई है, केवल छाटने का काम बाकी है, रख दिया है। तो इस तरह से सरकार निर्णय लेता है कि इतना बड़ा समाज होने के बाद भी वो मराठा समाज के सामने झुककर, गर्दन झुकाकर, कमर झुकाकर सरकार ऐसे निर्णय लेगी।
Several leaders joined him and the crowd raised slogans like Ek Mission OBC Arakshan, meaning one mission OBC reservation. Speakers clarified they aren't against the Maratha community, only against their inclusion under OBC at the cost of existing communities. As one said, we are not against our Maratha brothers, but our share must not be reduced. Now, interestingly, no leader from the ruling alliance, BJP, Shiv Sena or NCP attended the event. Revenue Minister Chandrasekhar Bavankule himself from the OBC community had appealed to organizers to cancel the rally due to farmer distress from heavy rains. But the Sakal OBC Sangathan went ahead, saying the issue was too critical to delay. After the rally, Maratha activist Manoj Jarangi Patil dismissed it as politically motivated, accusing Warattiwar of trying to harm the Congress. Minister Bavankule too called it a planned conspiracy to mislead OBCs. He clarified that the GR applies only to the Marathwada region and that Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had assured OBC leaders it won't be misused. Kunbi certificates will be issued only to those who are genuinely eligible. He also said the government has launched several development schemes for OBC welfare. So now to sum it up, this isn't just about one document. It's about identity, rights and reservation. While the government says the GR is limited and fair, but OBCs fear it could slowly weaken their long-fought shares in education and jobs. The big question now, will the government withdraw this GR? Or will the OBCs go ahead with their threat to paralyze major cities? What do you think should happen next? Tell us in the comments below.